Observability and SRE Part 20. This episode has 16 questions. For each question, take a moment to think through your own answer before I share a strong approach. Question 1. Scenario: GKE Autopilot versus Standard. A team wants to move a workload to GKE Autopilot for cost and ops simplicity. What trade-offs would you flag before they commit? Here's a strong way to approach it. Autopilot removes node management entirely. No node pools, no OS patching, per pod billing instead of per node, which is a real ops win, but it comes with constraints. No daemon sets in most cases, no privileged containers or host networking, restricted node level customization, and every pod must have resource request set. I'd flag that workloads needing custom node images, GPU or TPU configs outside supported types, privileged security agents, or fine-grained node pool cost tuning may not fit cleanly, and that per pod pricing can actually cost more than a well-bin-packed standard cluster for very dense workloads. Nice. Let's continue. Question 2. Scenario: private cluster master access. A private GKE cluster's control plane becomes unreachable from a new office network. How would you diagnose and fix authorized network access? Here's a strong way to approach it. First, check the cluster's control plane authorized networks list. Private clusters restrict which CIDR ranges can reach the control plane endpoint, and a new office network's egress IP almost certainly isn't in that allow list. Fix it by adding the new network's public egress CIDR to the authorized networks list. Cloud Container Clusters Update. Enable Master Authorized Networks. Master Authorized Networks equals